Unit 1 test, Earth's place in universe. First, type your last name in the box here. Next, you will type your first name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Number 1. The imaginary line that passes through a planet's north and south poles on which the planet rotates is called apex, pole, or axis. Number 2. The spinning motion of a planet on its axis is called revolve, rotate, or axis. Number 3. The movement of an object around another object is called revolve, rotate, or axis. Number 4. It takes the Earth blank to rotate one time on its axis. 24 hours or 1 day, 1 year, or 1 month. Number 5. Earth's rotation from west to east causes tornadoes, seasons, or night and day. Number 6. It takes the Earth blank to revolve one time around the sun on its orbit path. 1 day or 24 hours, 1 year, or 1 month. Number 7. Look at figure 1. This is showing one of the ways Earth moves in space. Choose the correct movement below. Rotate, revolve, or orbit. Number 8. Seasonal temperature changes are caused by the blank of the Earth's axis as it revolves around the sun. Straightness or tilt. Figure 1. Earth's tilt, northern hemisphere winter. Use figure 1 to help answer the following questions. Number 9. The Earth's equator is always hot, high temperatures, because it receives blank, concentrated sunlight all year. Indirect or direct. Number 10. Either of the 2 days of the year which neither hemisphere is tilted towards or away from the sun is called equinox or solstice. Figure 2. Northern hemisphere seasons. Number 11. Use figure 2 to answer the following question. The season for the northern hemisphere shown at position C is blank. Hint, look at how the north axis is tilted in relation to the sun. Summer, winter, spring, or fall. Number 12. The law of universal gravitation states that every object in the universe is attracted to other objects in the universe. Only objects that are large in mass attract other objects. Number 13. Mass is the amount of matter in an object or the force of gravity acting on an object. 14. Weight is the amount of matter in an object or the measure of the force of gravity acting on an object. 15. The strength of the force of gravity depends on which two factors? Gravity and inertia, or mass and distance? 16. The tendency of an object to resist a change in motion is known as mass, gravity, or inertia. 17. The different shapes of the moon you see are called eclipses, umbras, or phases. 18. True or false? The phase of the moon we see depends on how much of the sunlit side of the moon faces Earth. True or false? Number 19. During what phase of the moon is the moon between Earth and the sun? New moon, waning gibbous, or full moon? Number 20. Identify the phase of the moon shown. Waxing crescent, waning gibbous, or full moon? 21. Identify the phase of the moon shown. New moon, waxing crescent, or waning gibbous? 22. A partial or total blocking of one object in space by another object is called comet, eclipse, or revolution. 23. A blank eclipse occurs when the moon passes directly between Earth and the sun. Penumbra, solar, or lunar? 24. A blank eclipse occurs during a full moon, when Earth is directly between the moon and the sun. Lunar, penumbra, or solar? 25. During an eclipse, the area of the shadow where the sun is only partially blocked is the penumbra, phase, or rotation?